What'd I get? What'd I get? Did I get this in the mail? It's all me? Where'd it come from? Oh wow, it looks like my grandma sent me a mushroom grow kit. Oh wow. Can we open it? I want to see what this is all about. She always sends such cool stuff. This is so awesome. It says it's an organic mushroom grow kit by Back to the Roots. And here's a discovery booklet inside. It says that I got the pink oyster.
Fungus among us.
Here it is. Instructions, activities, and recipes to guide you on your mushroom growing adventure. Oh wow, Mom, can I eat these? I can grow it and eat it? Oh, I can't wait. What do I gotta do? It says here that to get my mushrooms growing, I gotta give them light. So I got them out. And then it says, is this what I'm doing is waking them up? Wake up, mushrooms! Wake up, mushrooms! Thanks, Mom, for the water bowl. It says I've got to soak them and give them a bath. They're going to be squeaky clean mushrooms. That's more than singing happy birthday twice. Wow, that'll help keep the germs away. Squeaky clean mushrooms. Well, it's time to put these guys to bed. That's for 24 hours. Man, that's forever. I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. Well, while I find these guys a cozy home, I know the spot. It's going to be sweet. Well, did you know that America's mushroom capital is Pennsylvania? But I bet you didn't know that that's where Grandma's from. I bet that's why she sent me these. Check with me later to see how these go. Thanks for joining me. So now you know. Follow Coastal Joe. See you later.